In this question, you have to identify the name of the scientist who experimentally verified the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Option A, Boveri. It is incorrect. Boveri contributed to the chromosomal theory of inheritance, but he did not experimentally prove it. Option B, Morgan. The chromosomal theory of inheritance proposes that genes are located on chromosomes and are the units of heredity. And it was Thomas Hunt Morgan who experimentally verified this theory through his pioneer work with the Drosophila melanogaster, that is the fruit flies. He was the first who demonstrated that genes are located on the chromosomes, providing the evidential verification for this theory. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, Mendel. It is incorrect. Mendel is known for his work in genetics and he is regarded as the father of genetics. But he did not work with the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance, but he did not experimentally prove it.